Hi, my name is Maria Eduarda. I am a radiology student at UTFPR. I am taking the Anatomy 2 course with Professor Katia Press, and today, together with Jhenyfer, I will talk about filariasis, which is a disease that affects the lymphatic system. I will focus on the anatomy of the lymphatic system. First of all, what is the lymphatic system? It is a network of vessels, lymph nodes, and specialized organs that runs throughout the body. It collects and transports lymph, a fluid composed of water, proteins, cellular waste, and immune system cells. It is made up of lymphatic vessels. These are structures that start as capillaries and become larger as they join together, forming a network that returns lymph to the bloodstream. Lymph nodes, small organs scattered along the lymphatic vessels that filter the lymph and remove pathogens. In addition to lymphoid organs such as the thymus, spleen, and tonsils. Lymph is formed from the interstitial fluid that surrounds the cells. During circulation in the tissues, it absorbs substances such as proteins and metabolic waste. This fluid is transported by the lymphatic system, where it is filtered and reintroduced into the bloodstream, helping to prevent the accumulation of fluids in the tissues and facilitating the elimination of toxins. Lymphatic capillaries are the smallest vessels in the lymphatic system, located in the intercellular spaces of tissues. Unlike blood capillaries, they have highly permeable walls, allowing the entry of large molecules such as proteins and cells. These capillaries converge into larger lymphatic vessels, which transport the lymph to the lymph nodes. Lymph nodes are small, encapsulated structures located strategically along the lymphatic vessels. They act as filtration stations for the lymph. Inside the lymph nodes, lymphocytes and macrophages identify and eliminate infectious agents. They are grouped in areas such as the neck, armpits, and groin, which are key points for detecting infections in different parts of the body. Filtration in the lymph nodes is essential for protecting the body against infections and other threats. Lymphocytes are specialized cells of the immune system, produced in the bone marrow and matured in organs such as the thymus. Lymphocytes are divided into B and T cells. B lymphocytes produce antibodies that neutralize pathogens. T lymphocytes coordinate immune responses and attack infected cells. Lymphoid organs, such as the spleen, thymus, and tonsils, have specific functions. The spleen filters the blood, removing old cells and pathogens. The thymus is essential for the maturation of T lymphocytes, especially during childhood. These organs work in harmony to maintain the body's immunity. The tonsils act as defense barriers, capturing and fighting microorganisms that enter through the mouth and nose. They produce lymphocytes and antibodies to identify and eliminate pathogens, aiding in immunity. The importance of the lymphatic system is fluid balance, by collecting excess fluids in the tissues and preventing edema. Immune defense, protecting the body against infections and eliminating pathogens. Fat transport, absorbing lipids in the digestive system, mainly through the lymphatic vessels of the small intestine. In summary, the lymphatic system is essential for maintaining health, linking fluid balance and immune defense. It is a true silent ally that works continuously to protect and sustain the body. Next, join Jhenyfer in part 2 to learn how filariasis, a parasitic disease transmitted by mosquitoes, affects the lymphatic system and can cause severe swelling in the body. I hope this presentation has contributed to a better understanding of the lymphatic system and its importance. Thank you for your attention and for following along until the end.